Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central McLennan County in Central Texas, Southwestern Freestone County in Central Texas, Limestone County in Central Texas, Southeastern Hill County in Central Texas, Northeastern Falls County in Central Texas, South Central Navarro County in North Central Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dawson to 8 miles north of Mark to near Lake Creek Lake, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Robinson, Mejia, Groesbeck, Teague, Fairfield, Mark, Hubbard, Wortham, Riesel, Coolidge, Hallsburg, Trading House Creek Reservoir, Lake Mejia, Fort Parker State Park, Lake Creek Lake, Lake Limestone, Thornton, Coss, Mount Calm, and Tahulacana. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 202 and 204. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.